How do I connect my Corsair wireless headset to my Xbox One?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of connecting your Corsair wireless headset to your Xbox One. This guide will make the process quick and easy, whether you're a gaming veteran or just starting out. Having your Corsair wireless headset connected to your Xbox One can significantly enhance your gaming experience, providing immersive and high-quality audio.
What you'll need.
Before we dive in, make sure you have the following. 1. Your Corsair wireless headset. We're assuming you already have this, but it's worth mentioning. 2. Your Xbox One console. This is the device to which we'll be connecting the headset. 3. A USB cable. This will be used to connect the headset's wireless adapter to the console.
How to power on and connect the wireless adapter.
The first step in the process is to power on your Corsair wireless headset and connect the wireless adapter to your Xbox One. Here's how you can do it. 1. Turn on your Corsair headset by moving the switch on the headset to the on position. You should see a light on the headset indicating it's powered on. 2. Connect the wireless adapter to your Xbox One using the USB cable. Your Xbox One should recognize the wireless adapter. A message may pop up on your screen confirming the connection.
Connecting the headset to the wireless adapter.
Now that the wireless adapter is connected, we'll need to pair the headset with the adapter. Here's how to do it. 1. Hold down the Connect button on the wireless adapter until it begins to blink rapidly. This indicates that it's in pairing mode. 2. Hold down the Power button on your Corsair headset until it begins to blink. This indicates that your headset is also in pairing mode. 3. Wait for both the headset and the adapter to connect. This may take a few moments. Once they're connected, the lights on both devices should become solid. This indicates that the connection process is complete. And there you have it. That's how you can connect your Corsair wireless headset to your Xbox One. We hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. Remember, having a properly connected headset can make all the difference in your gaming experience. So, game on, and enjoy your immersive audio.